What's up guys, Anton Crilly here from dropshiplifestyle.com, and in this video I want to talk about how dropshippers really make money online. Now this is definitely for you if you're thinking about pursuing dropshipping as a business model, and the reason I want to create this video right now is because I've realized when you go online and you start researching dropshipping, most of what you find being marketed is the lifestyle side of things. You see the fast cars, you see the nice condos, you see the nice vacations people are taking, and you see the free time that these business owners have. And I'll just say that's all well and good, right? One of the main reasons that I love this business model and I've been doing it so long is because of the lifestyle side that comes with it. But the problem is that when people only see that, they don't realize what actually needs to be done to get that lifestyle. And the lifestyle side, again, it's real. Since 2007, when I first got into e-commerce, I've been able to build multiple 8-figure streams of income from my stores. I've been able to live all over the world while running my businesses, have completely virtual teams, and it's thanks to e-commerce and dropshipping. Now, with that being said, I want you, if you're serious about this business model, to know how these dropshippers, including myself, are actually making money. It's not by sitting on a beach every day. It's not by flying business class with rewards points from the dropshipping store. It's by doing the boring work, the things that people typically don't want to do. And unfortunately, most potential dropshippers or people thinking about dropshipping don't even know exists and don't know make the difference between starting a store and getting no results and starting a store and being able to live that lifestyle that you want. And if you just want the clearest example of what I'm talking about, you can go on the subreddit for dropshipping and you'll see tons of posts for people asking for feedback on their stores. And you'll see, if you know what you're doing, that people put in literally the minimum possible amount of effort. Then they're curious why they can't quit their job 2 weeks later and why their store isn't a home run. And, again, to somebody that has experience actually dropshipping, it's obvious. It's because they're not doing the boring work. Maybe they don't know it needs to be done, but they think there's some magic button that you push and you get rich. And maybe that happened if you bought crypto 5 years ago and held on to it, but that's not what happens with dropshipping. So what I want to do is share some of that boring work, some of the things that myself and other dropshippers do to actually make money. The first thing that every successful dropshipper does is consistently and persistently follow up with the top tier suppliers in their niche. What I mean by this is, as you know, if you're a member of Dropship Lifestyle, I recommend finding at least 20 potential brands to sell for, high quality brands that make products that people want, that are warehoused domestically to where you do business. Now, from day one, when you're a new store, guess what? They're not all going to approve you, and some people might make a couple calls, get rejected, and think, oh man, let me go the easy route and try to dropship using the arbitrage model. Or maybe let me plug in an app to my store that lets me dropship from China and just do that because it's easy. I don't need to get rejected again. I don't need to call 19 more suppliers or possibly 100 more suppliers. And they try to go that easy route. They put some products up, they're not making money, and they think, why doesn't this work? It's because they're not doing that boring work. They're not putting in the effort needed to become an authorized retailer. And I'll tell you, I've been doing this again myself now for, 15 years, and it's still boring. It's not my favorite thing to do, but it's what we need to do to make money. We need to get approved with the suppliers we can get from day one, and we need to consistently and persistently follow up with the top tier suppliers over time so our business becomes more well-rounded, so we have more to offer, and so we can actually make money dropshipping. The second thing that every successful dropshipper does that actually makes money online is puts time and effort into uploading products. So let's say you went through what we just talked about and you got approved with one supplier or 100 suppliers. You might have to start between, call it 300 and 3,000 products that you need to upload to your store. Now, people here also get lazy because it's boring. When you want to upload products the right way to your store, it's a tedious task. It is not fun, but guess what? You're running a business and you need to do the boring work if you actually want to make money with this business model. This is another part where people think, let me just build a one product store. And instead of having to get all these suppliers and get all these CSVs and get all these product images and descriptions and have it all uploaded and optimized, let me just upload one product and see what happens. Nobody clicks a few buttons and magically gets rich. unless again, you were that guy or girl that bought crypto 5 or 10 years ago. Then good on you, but that's not building a real business. That's not what we're talking about. If you want to do this the right way, do the boring work of uploading all of the products from all of the quality suppliers you get approved with and upload them the right way so that people will actually want to buy from your store once they find you. It might be boring, but guess what? That's the difference between having a bunch of crap on your site or not having anything and then sitting there and wondering why you're not making money, or getting traffic, having people find you, and when they find you, actually wanting to take out their credit card and buy from your dropshipping store. The third thing that everybody making money dropshipping is doing is talking to their customers, especially in the beginning. And you might be thinking, well, how can you only work 10, 20 hours a week if you're running a huge store and you have all these customers? Well, listen, over time, once you know your business better and it's more built out, then yes, you outsource things and you oversee it, right? You have a team. But before that, you need to talk to your customers. So I'm talking about things like responding to emails in a timely manner. I'm talking about things like actually asking everybody for reviews, even if you think you're not doing a good job, instead of what some people try to do, which is literally hide from their customers. You want to hear what they like and what they don't like so you can make your business stronger and make money long-term dropshipping. On top of that, you want to be doing things like responding to live chats. On top of that, you want to actually have a phone number on your store and answer the thing when it rings, okay? Have it go to your cell phone, have it forward, pick it up, say, hi, this is so-and-so from so-and-so.com. How can I help you? Get those extra sales from people that just want to speak to somebody. Literally have the conversations so you can make your business better, so you can make more money dropshipping. Again, over time, that's something you can outsource. And if you do what we do at Dropship Lifestyle and you focus on selling high ticket products, meaning expensive products, it's not like the order volume is something insane where you're going to have 100 calls a day. Maybe you get 3 calls a day, 5 calls a day, and these are people that potentially are going to spend $1,000 or $2,000 with you. Easy sale, pick up the phone, either close the sale or get the feedback. That is how you make money. Again, it's not just about manifesting, I'm going to have a Lamborghini and live on a beach in Miami. That's not how this works. And that might sound like, yeah, of course, Anton, I get it. But I think a lot of people don't, based on some of the comments I see online. Again, it's a real business. So that's going to take us into the fourth and final thing that I want to share in this video for how dropshippers really make money online. Again, following the theme of doing things that are boring. And I could talk about this all day. I literally can make a list of 100 different things, but I think you're getting the point. But the fourth thing that I want to share is they simply do the work. Now, the problem is when you see dropshipping being marketed, you're typically, again, seeing the lifestyle, the flashy side of things, which obviously isn't necessary. You could do whatever you want with your money. You can live like a minimalist and take all your profit and invest it into index funds because it's your money. But that's not the point. The point is the people that are actually making real money dropshipping, how they're doing it is by doing the work. A lot of times, this isn't what you see on YouTube or on blog posts, but the people that are actually making money are the ones that are doing everything. They're in the business, they're doing the work, and the people that you see that are actually making money, when they're not filming, they're doing the work, they're making the money. Watching another YouTube video on dropshipping is not gonna magically make your business profitable. Turning that YouTube video off and diving into the boring stuff and getting it done and doing that consistently over time is what's gonna allow you to really make money dropshipping, just like everybody else that is doing it profitably is. So guys, that's my rant for today. I do hope you got value from it as always. If you did, leave a like. If you're not subscribed yet, click that button. And if you have any questions on this stuff, leave a comment below. More than happy to help out. With that being said, click subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you in the next one.